How to do investing in stocks in 2021. Do you want to make money in a simple way? What if I tell you there's something that requires the least effort to earn money? Well, that thing is to invest in stocks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another money-making guide. In this video, we are going to teach you the step-by-step approach to invest in stocks. So if you want to earn some extra bucks, I recommend you start investing in stocks in 2021. But for that purpose, you need some investment. And of course, basic knowledge of how everything works in the world of investing. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get the latest updates from the channel. Let's get moved towards the video. What is a stock? How investing works? So today, we will see how you can invest your money in stock. First, you need to know what a stock is. It is a type of investment in which you get ownership. When you buy a stock, you become the owner of them because you bought a small piece of the company that is called shares. Investors buy stocks because they believe that the rate of the stock will increase over time. To be a good investor, there must be two things that are patience and planning. Now let's move towards the steps by which you can invest your money, and they will help you make better progress. Selecting a broker. You have to open your account. There are two types of accounts. One is DMAT and the second one is a trading account. For investing this, you need a broker. In the beginning, it will be good to find out a discounted broker. You have to spend some for finding the excellent stock because you have to make a plan for its better progress. Taking decision, what to do? There are two things which you can do, but it's up to you what you want to do. You have to decide that you want to do trading, buy and sell, or investing, buy and hold your money. Because in trading, when you buy the stock, you make a plan to sell it. But when you want to invest, you will keep them for a long time to get more profit from it. So investing is much better than trading. Picking shares. You should buy a share of the same company. Many people think that investing in stock is very risky and they are like lottery tickets, but it's not. Remember, the only way to lose money on anything is if you buy something and sell it for less than you buy it. Then you will lose money. Because behind every stock, there is a business. We need to understand and find out how it is working. So you need to filter the good stock in the market for a better profit. Pick a simple company. It is essential to do a simple business that is easy to understand. Know where it will be in the next 10 years. If you think that your business isn't going to take off, don't invest in it. So choose where you are going to invest your money. For better progress, you have to focus on its fundamentals. So the last thing is when you should start investing. There are three things which you have to keep in view. The first is to make sure that all your debts are paid. You should have emergency funds in cash because whenever you hit any kind of emergency, you need to have money in your hand so that you do not have to wait for your investment. The third and last thing is don't put your money in stock. You need in the next 3 to 5 years because the market can crash anytime. No one knows about it. So if you are free with these issues, you should invest your money in the stock market. That's all for this video. I hope you get an idea about the stock market and how you can invest your money in it. Yet, if you may still have any questions, tell us in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon with another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching.